we are going to create our first React app. So what we have to do, we have to just first create the React folder app in where we have to create our app. So here I create a folder, go to new and go to the folder, uh, React test React. So this is our folder. So here we open the CMD. Oh, first we have to go to the CMD, and it will automatically open the path in the CMD. So here we have to write one command. So we have to write npm install. You can also check the command on the React documentation. So here is the React documentation. This is the command we have to write in the CMD. npm, you can use either npm or npx, create react app my app, or you can do one thing, you can directly declare the create react app as a global. So you have to write npm install, you have to copy that command and paste here and hit enter. So what this command do, this command will create a global instance of create react app. So whenever you have to create the new app, you have to uh, directly run the create react app with the folder or app name. So just wait for a second. This will declare our create react app as globally. It takes some time. So in between the process completed, I want to request you to please subscribe this channel if you want some more interesting uh, videos on React. Yeah, this process is completed, and now you have to directly write create React app and your app name. Like my app name is uh, test React, and hit enter. So you do not need to write npm install every time. Oh, there is some error. Okay, I got it. You can you have to use the app name in small letters only, like test react. No capital letters are allowed in app name. So it takes some time. React is very easy and simple. If you know about the JavaScript, then the React is very simple. All the concepts are of JavaScript is applying here. So React is basically make a website. React is basically making a website of single page only. So if you want to make this type of templates, single page template, then you should go for React is the best option. Actually my PC is takes some time, actually more time. You can also skip that part. So from next video we have starting we have created our first app and the process is completed now, and our app is created. Just ignore that warnings. Now you have to check whether the project is created or not, so you have to go in the folder where we have created that app. So this is our folder test react, and this all the files are created uh, now. So this all the files are there. First is node modules. Inside that node modules we have all the modules are installed, and in the src folder we have to write our code. app.js is the main file. In that we have to write that, and git ignore is for the git. package.json file is for to check all the packages versions and informations are available now. So that's it for this video. We have created our first app. In the next video we are starting working on the app. So that's it for the video. Thank you.